So throughout the week, I've been looking for different makeup looks to do that were like Halloween looks, or not necessarily scary, but just different looks for Halloween. And a look that I saw was the Wonder Woman Halloween look, and it's like the comic book style. That's why my eyebrows are so dark. I already did my eyebrows. So it's supposed to be a comic book style, and yeah, so I'm gonna try to do a Wonder Woman comic book look. Hopefully it comes out fine. The part that I'm most worried about is the star, because like I suck at drawing a star, especially like in a mirror and on my skin. But yeah, I like this look because it looked creative, especially the fact that it's not just making the makeup to look like the way that Wonder Woman has hers, but also the fact that it's like a comic book that just adds to the creativity. And also, when I was in this program, this organization at my school, my line name was Wonder Woman, so I was like even funnier. And I wear my shirt for this video where it says Wonder Woman. So hopefully this comes out fine, and stay tuned to see how this look looks at the end. And I hope you enjoy. So like I said, the hardest part is the star, and I'm gonna do that first so I don't get gold, well, like red all in the little gold part that I'm gonna do. And so to do that, I'm gonna just use a red lipstick and angled brush, like a small angled brush that you'd use for like your eyebrow pomade or something. And I'm gonna dip into that and try to make it like precise. And I'm gonna use the to draw a star, you know how sometimes you do like the triangle and then the upside down triangle? I'm gonna kind of like use that method to draw the star and then color it in. I'm gonna go as far up as I can because I want the thing to stop here. So let's see. Earlier this week I tried, last week I think actually, sorry, this is the beginning of this week. Earlier last week I tried to do this look, and I think it was okay for a first time, but the star was so ugly, and that's why I'm scared that it's gonna come out ugly now too, but I guess we'll see. I'm gonna use a cotton swab and pump some micellar water onto it and use that to clean up around the edges to make it more precise. Yeah. And now we have to do the upside down triangle. I still think that's too low, but I guess we'll see. And then try to clean it up again. Now I'm gonna try to color it in, make it darker. So let's see. I might use lipstick again and then add some eyeshadow. I didn't put primer on my face. I literally meant to put primer. Am I gonna mess with it? Probably. Let's see. Literally, this is gonna be the longest part of the video. I already have like 7 minutes just trying to do a star. But thank God for editing. Use the BH Cosmetics palette and fill that in with just with any red, I guess. Okay, so I think that's as good as my little star is gonna get. So my next step is the little gold art thing. Okay, so for the little art thingy, I'm gonna use this concealer. Oh, this is a really small concealer brush from e.l.f. and this e.l.f. jelly highlighter. So mainly I'm gonna use the top so I don't just overuse product for no reason. And if I need more, then I'll use more. So I'm gonna just dig in the top and put gold on the brush. And I like that I did my edges because I'm gonna use my edges to kind of tell like where to draw. I'm gonna start at the top of this, bring it down, bring this one to meet it in the middle, and I need more product on the top, and then drag it back out. Just clean it up. I might need to put more product on this. Let's see. So now I'm gonna fill this star in. I'm trying. No, I was gonna go around the star in black, but no. The way that I concealed with the micellar water for the star, I'm gonna do the same thing, but with the gold to outline it, kind of so you don't mess it up by drawing on it. More of this, try to go over the thin spots some. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is just, it's already kind of sharp, so make it as thin as you can and just trace the outside of this. And then I'm gonna fill in what I didn't have filled in with gold and use the micellar water to clean up the outside of that. So micellar water first, another cotton swab. That's fine enough. And fill all of that in with gold. So now I'm gonna do a yellow eyeshadow and I'm gonna make it like shimmery. So I'm gonna add some gold up there. And then I'm gonna do black liner here and I'm gonna do a wing black liner, I think. So let's see. The Profusion Pink Nudes palette and going with that gold shade Bow or Bow. I don't know if it's Bow or Bow, but I'm pretty sure it's Bow now that I'm looking at the other colors, names and stuff. And the eyeliner pencil to draw that part right there. Liquid liner and just put that all over. So this. And the black just basically outlines the white. So now I'm gonna do my face the way I normally would. So I already put primer, so I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'm gonna do my concealer and my contours. I'm gonna use this because it's literally the Wonder Woman lipstick, and it's the High Shine Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish lipstick. Does that have a shade? I don't know if they have different colors, but this is the Wonder Woman one. I got this as a gift too. So now I'm just gonna blend that out. what I might do. I keep using these Q-tips, but I have like at least 200, if not way more. Clean the corners. I think I'm gonna do a harsher contour just because of the fact that it's comic book. And my nose. I'm gonna use the Matchstick in the color Suede to clean up my nose. Let me put this down. That's why I was scared. I can't draw in a straight line. Maybe I'll clean it up with something. I'm also gonna use my white eyeliner. I'll go back to that. I guess I'm gonna add some things to my neck too. Like that. And that's my take on the Wonder Woman look. I don't think I like saw that, but it's something. I might try. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, give it a comment, a thumbs up, and subscribe and check out my other videos. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. Bye.